Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we're going to be doing my whole nail routine from prep to finish, and this is kind of going to be a longer video. I did have someone request to show, not the full process, but make it a little bit of a longer video. So let me know how you guys feel about it and if you enjoy it. But starting off, we're going to go in with a ballpoint drill bit, and what did I just say? We're going in with a ballpoint drill bit and we're removing the cuticles off of my nail beds. So I just want to point out, notice that I'm saying removing the cuticles off of my nail beds and not removing my cuticles fully. The choice is yours. I just always prefer to just remove them off my nail beds. I never see the necessity in removing your cuticles fully because you just have to really know what you're doing. It can lead to infections and whatnot. So I'm just making sure that my cuticles are fully removed off of my nail beds. So next we're going to switch drill bits. I'm going in with this next drill bit and just really making sure that those cuticles are fully removed off the nail bed. I'll be sure to leave a link below to all the products that I'm using. These two drill bits are available for purchase off Amazon, and my e-file is a MelodySusie nail file and nail lamp. It's a 2-in-1 and I really love it. I've had it for over 2 years now and I haven't had any problems, so I definitely do recommend it. Now I'm going in with a sanding band and removing all the shine off of my full nail bed. I also forgot to mention that all of this prep with my e-file is used on the lowest speed possible. You do not want to go in on a fast speed working on your natural nails because it's just going to wreck them. So now I'm going in and removing all the dust off my nails. I'm using this dehydrator. This is also available for purchase off of Amazon. And I'm just applying it to my cuticles and my whole nails, just being, super sloppy, to be honest with this. I love this dehydrator. It's super inexpensive and it works really well for me. Next, I'm going in with my all-time favorite. This is the Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'm doing the same method with this. I love this product so much. This product has changed the nail game for me. It makes my nails last super long, and everybody always asks me, how long do my nails last? And they last until I'm ready for them to come off. And usually I do change my nails up every 2 to 3 weeks, so I mean, it speaks for itself. Once I started using this product, I stopped noticing lifting, breakage. This product is amazing and I definitely do recommend giving it a try. And lastly, I'm going in with a base coat and just applying a thin layer of this to my nails. You can use any base coat. I do want to say that prep is different for everybody. It's kind of like a bra, everybody has different bra sizes. Prep is different for everybody because everybody's nail beds, nail shapes, whatever, they're just not the same. So if this prep routine doesn't work for you and you're still, seeing some lifting or that your nails are popping off, then switch out a dehydrator, switch out a prep, switch out your base coat, and just see what works good for you. This routine just happens to work really good for me, but definitely remember that prep is not one size fits all. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with my medium square soft gel full nail covers. The box does not look like this. This is just my sample box, so that's why the sticker looks a little crazy. But this is my favorite nail shape. I absolutely love medium square, and these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. I'll be sure to have the link down below. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing out my nails before we apply them. And these are soft gel full nail covers, so they are not ABS plastic. ABS plastic is different because you do have to etch the inside, so you do have that extra step. And then ABS plastic also pops off kind of easily for me. When you're using soft gel full nail covers, it's just a higher quality material, and it really blends and meshes in with almost any products, from acrylic to polygel or to builder base. Whatever you use, it just is universal, and it really works good with all products. Also, if you have problems shaping your nails like I do, definitely try them out, because they completely almost eliminate, the shaping, and that can take super long. And then for you to go through that and your nails be uneven and they're not like all the same shape, absolutely not. So they're great because it helps you cut down your nail time. Definitely recommend giving them a try if you've never tried them out before. But we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel to apply these. And this is another product that really helps cut down the time that you're doing nails, because let's face it, I love doing my nails, and I love doing designs, but sometimes it just takes entirely too long. Like, I'll be sitting there, my back will start hurting, I'll be sitting there for 2-3 hours doing nails. So as you can see, I sized out my full nail covers, and now I'm just going in, scooping it out and applying it and pressing it to my nails. I purposely didn't speed this part up. I usually always speed it up, but like I said, someone asked me to show the full process in a longer video. But as you can see, from the time I started to now, it hasn't even been 5 minutes yet, and almost a full hand of nails are on already. The product consistency is almost like a putty texture, but just like a clear putty. So a putty or like a Play-Doh, but you also want to make sure that you're not touching it, because the oils on your hands can make the products fall off. So you don't want to touch it too much for that reason. I do also do my thumbs separately every time, but like I said, super quick, super easy, 10 out of 10. Love this product and definitely recommend it. But after I finished applying all those nails, I went in with an 80/80 grit nail file, and I just really focused on the tops of my nails, because some people, like their corners curved or like it like a straight square cut. So I shaped the top of my nails. I also went in with that drill bit around my cuticles, just to really make sure that they were fully blended, the soft gel full nail cover and my natural cuticles. And then now I'm going in with a buffer and just buffing the top of my nails before I apply my builder base. This definitely isn't necessary, because like I said, it's a soft gel. I'm just extra, and I'm just so used to doing it, since I was using ABS plastic in the beginning when I first learned how to do nails. I'm just conditioned to it. I just don't feel right if I don't do it. But it's definitely a step that you can skip. For my polish today, I'm using this rubber base coat by Nails Cat Cat, and this is in the shade Frenchie. I absolutely love her products. I definitely recommend checking out her website. I just love these nail polish bottles, and I do definitely want to purchase more. But these builder bases, or it's a rubber base coat, but I don't know if builder base and rubber base coat are the same thing, so I'm not sure. I'll let her be the expert in that, but it reminds me of a builder base because you can build it up or you can apply this as if it were like a regular gel polish. So I absolutely love this product. I love this color so much. And I'm just going in and kind of applying it as if I'm doing a structured manicure. So as you can see, I'm just kind of swirling and scooping and just doing this method to make sure that the color is deep and that it's not transparent. If you want more of like a sheer transparent look, you can just go in and apply it, like I said, as a regular gel polish. But if you do have a more structured look, then you get the full color effect. I hope that made sense. But yeah, so I'm just gonna speed it up and finish doing the rest of my nails. Also, it's very important that you go in with a liner brush as I'm doing here and fixing up the corners and the sides of your nails because you're not going to get them really good when doing that structured method. So you definitely want to make sure that you're, moving your hands around and making sure that you're hitting all areas, because that's just the worst when you look at the sides of your nails and there's no polish on them or anything because you forgot about them. These nail art brushes are on Amazon and they're amazing. Definitely love them. It's really hard to find a really good thin line art brush, and this came in like a set of, I think, 5, but they had one on each side. So I'll be sure to link it down below because I love these brushes so much. As I said, I always do my thumb separately, so now I'm just going in and doing my nail. So as you can see here, I'm just going in and swiping the sides. I always do this after applying every layer of gel polish, whatever product you're using, just because it helps eliminate the bulk on the side of your nails. I did go in and apply a second coat of this product just because I really wanted a nice thick color. So I went in and applied a second coat of this and then cured. I did cure my nails. I forgot to mention, when I applied my nails with my solid nail glue, I cured for about 45 seconds. And with this gel polish, I cured each coat for about 30 to 45 seconds as well. But as you can see now, I'm going in with another gel polish, and this is a milky white gel polish that I purchased off of Amazon. And I'm just doing one really thin layer of this just because I just love these two colors together. It kind of makes this really pretty, almost like a snood nail polish color. So I'll be sure to have the link to this polish down below. And like I said, I'm just applying a really thin color of that, thin coat of this, and then gonna go in and cure with my lamp for 30 seconds. So after curing that, I'm going to go in with a no wipe top coat now and apply this to my nails. This no wipe top coat is one that I'm currently sampling. I'm deciding if I want to bring a no wipe top coat to my Etsy shop, but some of my favorites are the Model 1's no wipe top coat. So now I'm going in with my all-time favorite cuticle oil. This is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'm using the scent lavender today. So you want to make sure you're investing in a really good ultra hydrating cuticle oil. But here's the final nail look. It's very simple. Like I said, this is my favorite shape. I love this medium square look. And if you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!